In the 7th century AD, the Slavs attacked the Roman city of Epidaurus. In response, the residents of Epidaurus fled to the islet of Ragusa and built fortifications around it. Whilst developments on Ragusa expanded, another settlement emerged on the mainland. This settlement became known as Dubrovnik. It was named after the holm oak trees which surround the region. The two settlements continued to expand and merged in the 12th century. It was at this time that Dubrovnik became a trading centre, providing a link between the Mediterranean and the Balkan states. In 1205, Dubrovnik came under the authority of the Venetians and did not gain independence until 1358. The period which followed is known as the Republic of Ragusa. During this period, the borders of the city were expanded and sea trade boomed. The city maintained strong trade relations with neighbouring nations, and a period of peace ensued, enabling art, science and literature to flourish. A devastating earthquake hit the city in 1667, killing 5,000 people and leaving most of the city in ruins. Only the Holy Saviour Church, Sponza Palace and Rector's Palace survived. After the earthquake, the city was reconstructed in Baroque architecture. Despite the citizens' efforts to reconstruct the city, a drop in trade in the Mediterranean resulted in the city steadily declining. In 1808, Napoleon abolished the Republic of Ragusa and amalgamated its territories into the Napoleonic Kingdom of Italy. In 1815, the Vienna Congress ceded Dubrovnik to the Habsburg Empire. It was around this time that Dubrovnik first became a tourist destination, with Lord Byron naming it the Pearl of the Adriatic. When the First World War ended in 1918, the city became part of the newly formed kingdom of Serbs, Croats and Slovenes, which later became known as the Kingdom of Yugoslavia. During the Second World War, the city was occupied by Fascist Italy, followed by Nazi Germany, before being liberated by the Yugoslav partisans. The city then became part of the Socialist Republic of Yugoslavia, and the Old Town was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1979. Following Croatia's declaration of independence in 1991, war came to the city once again. Between October 1991 and May 1992, the city was pummeled with more than 2,000 shells by the Yugoslav army. This resulted in loss of life and significant damage to many of the city's historic buildings. Of the 824 buildings in the Old Town, 68% were struck by shells. Since the end of the war, the city has flourished once again as a popular tourist destination, attracting visitors from all over the world. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.